This video is to show you how to keep your Wallflower plug-in clean and working well. This is a great fragrance product for your home. You can pick them up at any Bath Body Works. They work well, but what you will notice is after about 2 months, the plug-in is going to get some buildup, some oil buildup inside of it. And as it does, it can get things clogged up and you can lose some of the scent in your house. There's a quick and easy fix to this. All you're going to need is a Q-tip and some rubbing alcohol. So what I'm going to do first is take my Q-tip, dip it into the rubbing alcohol, just like that. Then I'm going to get in here and just really scrub out this area of the plug-in. All the little nooks and crannies, just like this, even inside this middle piece here, all the way through. Once you've done this part, you want to flip it over and just check out the holes on the top. These can also get a little clogged. So if you just take this one actually looks pretty good, but if you take it like that, get in there and clean it out, that's going to have your plug-in throw-in scent a whole lot better in the home and keep it smelling good. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.